In this video, we will see the stress, strain and displacement analysis of a given bracket. The problem description is, we have a steel bracket of thickness 0.5 mm, Young's modulus of 3 into 10 power 6 Newton per mm square, Poisson ratio is 0.29. There is a varying pressure of 50 to 500 megapascal applied on the right side hole and the left side hole is welded. Now we will go to ANSYS. The first thing we have to do is go to preferences and select structural analysis. Next we must go to preprocessor and modeling. Then we have go to create areas rectangle by dimensions. In this, first we will create the rectangle. Let us consider this point as the origin and we will first create this rectangle. For that, the x1 is 0, x2 is 6, y1 is -1 and y2 is 1. Now the rectangle is created. Next we must create the bottom rectangle. For that, the dimensions are x1 is 4 and x2 is 6, y1 is -1 and y2 is -3. Now the bottom rectangle will be created. Next we have to draw the circle. For a semicircle here and a semicircle here, we must create circles. Go to solid circle. The center will be 0, 0 and the radius will be 1 mm. If you give OK, a circle will be created here. Similarly, we must create a circle here. So the coordinates are 5, -3 and radius is 1. Next we have to create two small circles for holes. For that, again x and y coordinates are 0, 0 and radius is 0.5 mm. Okay. Similarly here 5, -3 and 0.5 radius. Now give OK and the circle will be created. Now we must add the remaining areas and we must remove the small circles to create holes. For that, we have to go to operate and boolean operations, add areas. We must select the rectangle, the bottom rectangle, the left circle and the right circle. Now all the areas will be added. Now to create the hole, we must go to subtract areas, select the bracket first and give apply. Then select the two small circles and give OK. The circular hole will be created. Next we have to go to create option for creating a fillet here. For creating fillet, we must go to create lines and then line fillet. We must select the two intersecting lines at which the fillet must be created and give OK. The fillet radius we can give it as 0.4 mm. Now the fillet will be created. But to create an area enclosing this fillet, we have to go to create areas and arbitrary by lines. We must select the two lines and the arc. Now the area will be filled. Then we must join the fillet and the bracket. For that, again we have go to booleans, add areas and we must select the fillet and the rectangle and give OK. Now the areas are joined. Next we have to select the element type. We must go to element type, add, edit or delete, add, and we must select solid and quad 8 node. Now we must go to options. We should change the element behavior K3 to plane stress with thickness. To add thickness, we must go to real constants, add, edit or delete, add, OK. We can give the thickness as 0.5. Okay. Then we must select the material properties. For material properties, we must go to material model, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. We must enter the Young's modulus here, that is 3 into 10 power 6. For that we can give 3e6. The Poisson's ratio is 0.29. Now we can give OK and close the material model. Next we must go to meshing, mesh tool. In size control we must go to global set. Element length we can give it as 0.5. Now we must give mesh and select this area, give OK, meshing will be done. Next we must go to solution for applying loads and boundary conditions. Go to define loads, apply, structural. First we must fix the left side hole. For that we must go to displacement, on lines, select all the 4 arcs of the circle, give OK, and all degrees of freedom must be given 0. Next we must apply pressure on the bottom side of the right side hole. For that we have to go to pressure, on lines. First select the down left arc of the circle and give OK and give the pressure value as 50 and optional pressure value as 500. Similarly, on the bottom right side arc of the circle you have to give same 50 and 500. Now we must go to solve and current LS. Once the solution is done, you can close this one and go to general post proc. In this, first we must go to plot results, contour plot, nodal solution, and select under nodal solutions, under degree of freedom solutions, displacement vector sum. Now we will get the displacement plot. Here it displays the maximum displacement. Next we can go to nodal solutions, stress and von Mises stress. Now the stress distribution plot will be displayed here and the minimum and maximum values are displayed here. Next we can go to strain, total mechanical strain. Under total mechanical strain we can select von Mises total mechanical strain and the strain distribution plot will be displayed. The minimum and the maximum values are displayed here. You can also view results in the form of a list for all the nodes by going to list results, nodal solutions, and you can select DOF solution and displacement vector sum. Now the result will be displayed in the list form for all the nodes separately. The maximum values will be displayed here. This is the second exercise. We will see further exercises in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video.